Yep. DVD video. Following previous are Porsche Orange System Motion Picture Association America Inc.
My father was a lighthouse keeper. My mother was a queen. But life is a way of bringing people together.
Unite our worlds one day.
Check it out. Arthur is talking to the fish.
They made me what I am. Permission to come aboard.
I've been looking for you. Your half-brother, King Orm, is about to declare war upon the surface world. The only way to stop this war is for you to take your rightful place as king.
Trust me, I ain't no king.
You do your best thinking when you're not thinking at all.
Those words of pep talk. Ever.
I won't strap in. Welcome home.
My brother has come for the search. Challenge me for the throne. God, an ass whooping.
This December.
I know the king. I came because I had no choice.
Without his involvement.
People that I love.
I think you're unworthy to lead the teacher to different worlds. That is exactly why you are worthy.
That was awesome. The war is coming to the surface. But I'm bringing the wrath of the seven seas with me.
Aquaman.
What are you doing?
Aquaman. In theaters, December 21st.
You've run from foster homes in 6 counties. I can take care of myself. Give these people a chance, because that's what they're giving you. This is Billy Batson. Is she nice? But don't bite. It gets real Game of Thrones around here. Dude, just messing around. You look at me and you're like, why so dark? You're a disabled foster kid. You've got it all. If you could have one superpower, what would you pick? Everybody chooses flight. So they can fly away from this conversation. No, because heroes fly. What, you need your fake family to stand up for you? Hey! Man, sorry about that.
Go, go, go! Grab it! Get out the way! Daily bats. I choose you as champion. Say my name so my powers may flow through you.
But I don't know your name.
Shazam.
Are you for real? Say, okay! Shazam?
This super next spring.
It's me, Billy!
What is happening?
You're the only person I know that knows anything about this Cape Crusader stuff.
Can I...
Oh, shit, yeah.
This going into a perfect swing
What
head.
are your superpowers?
Swap test.
okay? Why are you talking?
If you want to save the world.
Your phone's charged.
The hell? You're like a bad guy, right?
You got full immunity!
I'm bulletproof.
You're dead.
Sorry about your window, but you're welcome for not getting robbed. Oh, hey, what's up? I'm a superhero.
Shazam! In theaters, April 2019. I do want to get this films. I do want to get Aquaman and Shazam soon.
I'm scared. Dumbledore.
Everyone is scared of something.
Ridiculous.
You're up next. That's an unusual one. What Mr. Scamander fears above everything else is having to work in an office, sir. Go ahead, please.
Ridiculous.
These pictures. Wizzy World.
Magic blooms only in rare souls. Still we must skulk in the shadows. But the old ways serve us no longer.
From Right and Round.
I take it you've heard the rumors, Grindelwald television, that he will rise to dominance over the wizarding world.
So you're asking me to help hunt him down?
I can't move against Grindelwald. It has to be you. In your shoes, I'd probably refuse to. It's late. Leave me a note. What collide?
You underestimate your talents, Mr. Scamander.
The elegance is a key to our victory. Muggles are not lesser. Not disposable.
Those you could meet. You never met a monster you couldn't love.
See this? Mr. Scamander.
Do you think Dumbledore will mourn for you?
Fantastic Beasts, The Crime is Ordered.
Are you a ghost?
No, I'm alive. But I'm an alchemist and therefore immortal.
Oh,
Nicola Flamel.
Jacob Corners.
Oh,
Oh, you don't look a day over 375.
November, set in 3D in theaters.